Here's a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable top car, of course. This one just has a single top. Will be the red solid panel. Underneath the hood, 6-liter LS2. That is paired up with a 6-speed tap shift transmission. Victory red in color. A little over 34,000 miles on this one. This one also has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, no indication of paint work. Confirms miles. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the interior, check out the engine bay, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can give us a call to at 507-386-1726. Very clean engine bay interior. Well taken care of car, you can tell. As you can see, riding on a newer style chrome wheel. Michelin Pilot Sports. Nice radial tires on there. Now, as far as interior, some of the options, like I said, a 6-speed tap shift automatic transmission. You'd also have heads-up display, power driver's seat, dual climate control. Nicely equipped car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Didn't notice any exhaust change, any cold air intake, anything like that. Doesn't look like many modifications or much done to this. Besides, like I said, a little different wheel on it appears. And again, check out the still pictures so you can check out the underside, see the exhaust. Interior, you can check out the trunk, see the picture of the car, top on, top off. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Now, the one thing I did notice about this car is how clean it is. I mean, you can look up and down the driver's side, you see the passenger side. I'm going to slip around to the front once I start it up too. I want to show you how clean that front face and everything is on it also. So let's go ahead and start this up. We'll check out this interior a little bit. All right. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, your tilt and cruise. Carpeting, everything nice shape. Seats. Not full of any rips or tear, any major wear. Removable top is in nice shape, and again, you can see that in the pictures. Let's go ahead and start this up, check the exact miles for you here. Like I said, a little over 34,000 should be. There you go, yeah. 34,088 miles. Again, heads-up display. See that. All the gauges working. No warning indicator lights, anything like that, except the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. It's flashing right there. Again, dual climate control, CD, AM, FM. Dash night shape, not sun-baked or worn or cracked or anything. Slip around to the back, like I said, no crazy exhaust, anything like that on it. Sounds just like you'd expect an 07 Vette to sound. Nice running 6-liter underneath the hood. Alright, I was going to come up and I want to show you this fascia. See how clean this is. Just one thing I really noticed about this car. Not a bunch of rock chips, anything like that. You have a few little spots where it's touched up, and you can see that. Some very fine ones, but again, you can tell it's a well taken care of car. 13 years old, 30,000 miles. It's very nice. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Tell you what, it's light enough I can do this one one-handed. All right, I'm gonna go 6-liter LS2, and again, you can see how clean. No modifications underneath there. Still running an AC Delta battery. I don't know, in the past I've had people ask about this. That is supposed to be gray. It's not. Had any repair work done to it. Matches this side. Had some people question that before. That is correct. So there you go. You're looking for a nice 07 Corvette Coupe, automatic transmission, clean Carfax, a little over 34,000 miles. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below in the description of this video. Take you right there. Remember, we can assist with transportation. Do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.